Installation process of Link A-type module. In the following video, we will demonstrate using a dartboard that can match this module, such as the brand D.Craft from Japan. Removing the back cover. Firstly, remove all the screws on the back cover. And then gently open it. During this process, it should be noted that there are two wires connecting the battery compartment on the back cover and the circuit board at the bottom. For the convenience of this installation demonstration, the connection wires of the battery compartment and the product shown in our video have been disconnected in advance. If you wish to retain the original functions of the product, please do not exert excessive force when removing the back cover to avoid breaking the wires. 2. Dealing with the circuit board. Put the back cover aside and focus on the yellow circuit board at the bottom. There are two thin film pressure-sensitive circuits connected to the circuit board. At this time, please gently unplug them one by one with your hands. 3. Installing the link device. Take out the link device. Paste the adhesive backing according to your needs. And find a suitable position on the original product circuit board to fix it. Then, insert the thin film pressure-sensitive circuits that were just unplugged one by one into the connection plate of the link. Four. Connecting the Type-C wire. Find a Type-C wire, pass it through the hole of the battery compartment on the back cover, and then connect it to the link. V. Completing the installation. Arrange the wire harness neatly, put the back cover back on, and tighten the screws. At this point, the installation of the product is completed.